Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change rear brakes on that Chevy S10 pickup truck, 6-cylinder, 4-wheel drive, disc brakes. Alright, first thing you got to do is take out the wheel, 5 lug nuts, take that off, and then you go in here and you got 12mm bolts here, one here and one down here. Those two, you loosen it up, and now I'm going to tell you what to do after that. Hold on. Let me loosen it up real quick. Before you, don't take all the screws out all the way. Just leave them loose. Use the screwdriver to get in here, and you'll pry the caliper over. I left it a little bit too loose. Go over here and you push the piston back in with the same brake pads. Then you take out the screws, remove the caliper, and you got the piston all the way inside. Right. Now the brake pads. By the way, you don't need that. So just remove that. Alright. Make sure you get the right pads. Take one at a time because you don't want to take both out at the same time. They're two different kinds. Get your shoe lubes. Put a little bit of lube where the brake pads go at. You might have to tap it in a little bit. You do the same thing with the other side. Lube. Lube. Got the other brake in. Simple as that. Put everything back together. Screws back on. Tighten everything up. And there you go. Change the brakes in about 3 to 4 minutes on the Chevy S10 pickup truck, 2000. And just put the wheel back on. Thanks for watching.